They're actually the biggest one is new versions of some old types of transcripts, right? So, especially in the tax return transcript area. Now, traditionally, tax return transcripts have been limited to 1040 returns, some of the corporate returns, the 1120 series, and partnership returns, the 1065. Now, the IRS is doing some great expansion on return transcripts for many other types of forms. The biggest one they've already released is the 94X series, those 940s, 941s, 943, 944, 945. These have changed from tax years 2023 and beyond, tax periods 2023 and beyond. You can get this tax return transcript online. You can contact the practitioner priority service. They'll put them in your mailbox, but they will contain most of the line items on the return, but they will also include something else, which is something new for the IRS. They will have amended information. So if there's an amendment to that 94X, it will show the amendment there also. That's great progress for the IRS. We're actually looking for that to happen in other forms. It's not available yet on the 1040, 1120, 1065 series, but the IRS is looking to upgrade and make enhancements to those return transcripts to include amended information in the future. So that's a big watch item for all of us. Now, the IRS has already released more different types of return transcripts, 1041s in particular, 990Ts. We saw that in January, and there's a lot more coming in the 990 series. Other 1120 forms, 706s, we'll see return transcripts also. So this is a big watch item. A lot more tax return information available to us as tax professionals through transcripts.